Hello everyone, here's my justification for the design choices I made when creating the infographic we need. Here's my infographic. One of the design principles I used is alignment. Alignment means that elements are not scattered on a page but arranged relative to a line or margin. I applied design principle of alignment in horizontal between two charts in summary. For example, the chart of GDP in 1916 and the chart of GDP in 2010. Another principle is visual hierarchy. It means the arrangement of elements in a way that implies a hierarchy of importance within a section. I apply this principle in my infographic by using different sizes of fonts, like big size fonts as my title and subtitle, and small font as chart information. And I also use the different background colors to distinguish layers, like yellow for the first part and orange for the second part, then yellow and orange again. The one more graphic design principle I used is contrast. Contrast is a difference in visual weight between the background and text. For example, I have a black background in my conclusion part, and a white font is to make color contrast and make my information easy to find and deliver to the reader. These are all the design principles that I use in my infographic. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.